In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Axiom. So the first thing you need to do, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. And via that link, you will also get the invite code, which is necessary if you want to actually enter Axiom. So if I click over here on their website, when you click on that link, you want to click on Start Trading. And then you have the invite code over here. You can enter in your email and then the invite code, which will be IHT and should be automatically filled if you are using my link. So you want to enter the email and the code, and you can press sign up, or you can continue with Google or with Phantom Wallet if you want to connect either of these. So I'm actually signed in with Google, and I'm going to press login over here, but you will just have to continue with either Google or Phantom. So I'm going to press over here, and then I'm going to press continue with Google. Click on my account over here, and after a few seconds, when this verifies, it will say signed in or logged in, and just like this, as you can see, you've successfully signed up for Axiom. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.